Well, as you see, the first set is almost ready. The detail is quite impressive. You can see. Excellent. And this was made with Ortur Laser 3. And it's now running at 4,000 speed, lower speed for good graphics. But he can do to over 20,000 speed. And wow, quite impressive. Just a little, and job is almost done. A little more noise now because of my extra fan here. It's all toxic here. And now it's okay. I really like it, this Ortur Laser. Very impressive. Okay, now it's all ready, and I really like it very much. I hope you like it too. Just a little focus. Details is quite excellent. Nice job, Ortur. Thank you very much.